Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Sunday, February 1st, 2026, and if you are holding gold or silver, you might want to sit down. We are witnessing an absolute massacre in the precious metals market. In India, following the Budget 2026 speech by Nirmala Sitharaman, silver prices have entered a freefall, crashing nearly 30% in a single session, hitting lower circuits at 2.65 Indian rupees lakh per kg. Gold isn't far behind, dropping from its peaks of 1.69 Indian rupees lakh to near 1.40 Indian rupees lakh. Why this sudden collapse? It's a double whammy. First, India's budget has introduced a massive shift in import duties and taxes that has completely deflated the domestic premium. Second, the Trump factor has finally hit the dollar. President Trump's nomination of Kevin Warsh to lead the Federal Reserve has sent the US dollar index screaming higher. Warsh is seen as a hard money hawk, and his arrival signals the end of the cheap dollar era. The safe haven trade that pushed gold to $5,600 just days ago is now unwinding at lightning speed as investors pivot back to a strengthening greenback. But the geopolitical drama is still at a boiling point. The Trump Armada is officially in position near Iran. While metals are crashing on dollar strength, the underlying threat of a Middle Eastern conflict remains the only thing keeping a floor under these prices. If the deadline Trump gave Tehran passes without a deal, we could see the most violent V-shaped recovery in gold history. On the trade front, the war with Canada is turning into an economic divorce. With 100% tariffs looming and Canada walking back its China deal, the North American supply chain is in tatters. This is hitting the tech giants hard. Tesla shares are under extreme pressure as battery costs spike, while Nvidia is using the chaos to push its open-source Alpamayo AI into European markets, effectively bypassing the North American tariff wall. My strategy for this Black Sunday: do not panic sell into the lower circuits. This is a policy-driven crash, not a lack of demand. The whales are using this budget shock to wash out the weak hands before the next geopolitical spike. We are watching the $4,800 level on gold. If it holds, the bull run is still alive. Market Minute USA is tracking every tick of this crash. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, is this a buy the dip opportunity of a lifetime, or is the gold bubble finally popping? Let me know, and I'll see you at the Monday opening bell.